Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I'm at the dog park right now, and usually there's somebody here to talk to, but today it's just me and Sugar. I think you can see Sugar right there. All right, so I thought I'd answer some questions that I commonly get about meditation or Taoism, and one question is, what is meditation? Like, what kind of meditation do you do? What kind of meditation should I do? How would you define meditation? And that's a number of questions there. But the way I like to think about it is that meditation is getting your mind where your body is. So a lot of times our mind is out here. It's going in this direction. It's going in that direction. My mind is on my bills, on what I should have said, what I didn't say, what I've got to do later today. Is there going to be traffic? I need to make sure that I get gas before I go all the way down the south end later. But really, that drains us of our vitality. All right, so if we're watching shows, if we're listening to music, if we're thinking somewhere else besides right here where our organs are, that energy is going out and it's draining us of vitality. Whenever I am meditating, I like to keep my energy here. And so there may be a period in your meditation where you're sinking down, going through those turbulent waters, so to speak, sinking down through your mind, through the car payments, the bills, what you should have said, regrets, but then you get to a still point. And the reason I like the Taoist meditations is it gives you a map of, okay, this organ and this feeling and this virtue, this organ and this color, this organ and this way of being. And you can focus on those things and build those types of energies up in that specific place in your body. Meanwhile, you're getting your mind where your body is, so that energy's here and it can give you vitality instead of drain it. So that's a little bit of an answer to that question. Obviously, books and libraries have been written about that, but that's something for you to think about. Thank you.